Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to drop the power steering pump. It's very easy, but there is something you want to know about one of the bolts. So first, make sure that the wheels are properly chocked because we're lifting the front of the car up in the air. You want to make sure the car does not roll. So leave the car in gear and make sure that the parking brake is up. And we're going to go underneath the car and we're going to lift with the floor jack. So we're going to lift back here on this frame rail support, and then we're going to put a jack stand towards the front. So make sure that it's good and solid and not going to fall down. Next, we're going to take our breaker bar with a 3/8 inch reducer on it so that we can put it down inside of the tensioner. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the tensioner clockwise, and that will release the tension on the belt so we can go ahead and unloop it from the alternator and then especially down here over the power steering pump. Now on the power steering pump, there are 4 bolts. And 3 of them we can take out very easily. And so the first 2 are up here at the top. You can see there's one here. There's one here behind it. And then the 2 on the bottom, this one's going to be very easy to get out. However, as you see, there's one that's right here behind this power steering line. And that bolt is actually so long, it won't come out. And if you're not careful, as you take it out, it will hit the power steering line. So we want to drop the pump with it. So what we're going to do is take our 10mm socket and we're going to take out the other 3 bolts first. So now as we take the last bolt out, it'll drop the pump down with it as we loosen it. So we're going to use a 10mm ratcheting wrench with the bendable head. That's the best tool that I've found to get in here. And so we're going to put it right in here behind the power steering line and get onto that. And these are on here pretty firm. I actually had to get the jack handle and use it to, kind of as a cheater bar to put over it to break it loose. But then you're able to slowly ratchet this last bolt. And so what you'll notice is as you're ratcheting it, it will slowly be dropping the pump down. And you'll be able to then drop the pump down and out of the way. So on reinstallation, you want to make sure that that bolt is the first one that you put in. And then once it's up and in there, then you can install the other 3. This is the view of this bolt. As you can see, look how long it is and see how it would hit the power steering line. So if you're doing this bolt first, there's enough pressure to bend that line as you're ratcheting it. You'll be ratcheting, you'll be wondering why it's not coming out, and you'll be bending that power steering line and causing a leak.
Over the alternator, around the power steering, under the crank, around the crank, over the water pump, over the tensioner, down around the air conditioning, up over the idler, underneath this idler, back over the alternator.
So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description where I'll put a playlist with all my other Mustang videos like this. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.